These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides. On each side, you have some dots. These dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to help us collect data that we can then plot on a dot plot. So in order to do this activity, what I need is all my dominoes that have just 0 to 6 pips. And what I do is I flip them all over upside down. Now I have a sheet that I'm going to be using to record my data. So here's my sheet. And it's called Plotting Data from a Table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip over a domino. When I flip it over, I count how many pips are on that domino, and I place a tally mark where it would fit anywhere from 0 to 12. So I'm going to choose this domino, and I see I have 3 and 1, so that means I have 4 pips. Then I would flip over another one. This one's 6 and 0, so it's just 6. Now I would continue until I have flipped over 20 dominoes. Now I've already done that on this sheet, and I've made sure that I have 20 tally marks in here. So now what I'm going to do is take that data and I'm going to plot it on the dot plot. So I see here that I've only turned over one domino that has 1 as the quantity. I only had 1 for the number 2. I turned over 2 dominoes where 3 was the quantity. For 4, I had 3 dominoes. For 5, I had 1. For 6, I had 4 dominoes that had a quantity of 6. For 7, I only had 2. For 8, I had 1. For 9, I had 1. For 10, I had 2. For 11, I had 1. And for 12, I had 1. And now you can see I've created this really nice dot plot using the data from my table with the dominoes. And here's one way in which we can use the dominoes to help us with data and creating a dot plot.